going to be able to do matte edits using your phone. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make use of the keyframes in CAPCUT. You see this? These are what we call keyframes, and basically you can do something with it like the zoom in and zoom out. So stay tuned in today's video because I'm going to show you how I just did that. So let's get right into the over to our app. We'll go over to CAPCUT. So entering into CAPCUT, it's taking quite a while to load. And you can see this is the CAPCUT interface, this is the CAPCUT app. So I just go over to a new project, or I just click a project, any project at all, because for the sake of this video I want to show you guys something. So I'll just be clicking on this project right here. Remember that I told you guys that Keyframe allows you to make changes to all the different elements in your timeline. Like you can do a lot with keyframes. You can do animations, you can do filters, you can change stickers, you can adjust volume effect, you can even do color shift effect, and you can do the zoom in and the zoom out. So in this video, I'm going to show you first of all how we're going to do our zoom in and zoom out effect. So in this video, I'm going to click on this part of the video, and you can see this white play head has already appeared here. Then just click keyframes. So for this one, I'm going to be doing a slow motion keyframe. So let me click on the keyframe right here, as you can see. And I clicked on that, and I go over to where I want the keyframe to end. So okay, I want the keyframe to end here, so I also click on that. So I drag the video, I use my both hands to drag it. Then as you can see, then I just go a bit further, then click the keyframe again. Me clicking the keyframe is for me to reduce the frame back to its original position. So you can see that's what I'm trying to do right now. So let me show you how it looks after doing that. I'm going to be teaching you how you can see make use of transitions and animations. It just went, let me go over, let me show you again. It just went slowly. We're going to make use of transitions and it zoomed out. So you can see how that works. Then again, I'll be showing you how to do the zoom out effect. So if you want to do the zoom out effect, you just click on the clip you'll be doing the zoom out on. Click on the clip you'll be doing the zoom out on. Click on the keyframe here. Then zoom it out. You can see I use my both fingers on the screen to zoom it out. So after zooming it out, I go over to this place, then I'll add the keyframe again, and zoomed it back to its original size. So if I'm going to play this video, you're going to see how it will look. So this is how it looks like right now. I'm going to be using my phone for this tutorial. So you see that's the zoom out and the zoom in. So if I want to do like the color shift effect, you can see I just click on this clip right here now. So I add a keyframe. Let me say I add a keyframe here. Yes, I add my keyframe there. Then I go over to adjust. So you can see adjust. This adjust right here. What I'm basically telling it is that I'm telling the keyframe that okay, I want to make a change there. So the keyframe me adding the keyframe there to acknowledge that okay, I'm trying to make a change. So the basic idea of keyframe is that it allows you to make different changes to different elements in the timeline. You can do this to so many, you can do this to stickers, you can do this to so many elements on your timeline. So right over to our color shift effect. I go over to let me say I go over to saturation. Yes, saturation, and I just do a little shift. Yes, not too much, not too small, just a little shift. Then click on this. Then also I go over to this place and add a keyframe. So I'll enter adjust again. Then I'll just take my saturation down. then you see this basically just changes it gradually from the original effect to a different effect.
Hey,
so
my
I don't know if you
loves.
can see.
So in today's video,
So you can see, just go over it again and see what I'm trying to say.
my loves. So in today's video,
So you see, you can do so many things with the keyframe. You can do so many things. And if you actually want this to be faster, like you want the change to be very swift, to be faster, then here's what you do. I've already added a keyframe here, first of all. So I just go over to this place and go to adjust again. Then I go down. Yes. So you just see the swift
hey,
change.
my love. So in today's video,
So you can see how it is. This now is faster. So if you want like a faster effect, you add the keyframe closer to the first one. So add that swift change. So the next thing I'll be doing is to adjust volume effect. Okay, I think it's not among what I wrote, but I'm going to be okay. The next thing I'm going to do now is to change stickers, like change the position of stickers. So here's how we'll do it. Let me just click on this clip, and let me click on this clip now and add a sticker. Let me click on this clip and add this. Let's go over to stickers. So look at sticker here. Then this is sticker right here. So if I want to, I can use the sticker now I can use the keyframe to change the position of this sticker. All I'm going to do right now is just to click on this sticker. Let me just make it big a bit. Let me click on the keyframe right over here. Then take this out, take it out, then come back here and add a keyframe.
my loves. So in today's video,
Sorry, remember I clicked on. Let me go over that again. So this is the sticker right here. So I just want to make it to appear. You can do this in two ways. You can also use animation to do this. But I want to show you that you can also use the keyframes to do this effects. So all we have to do is, so I added a keyframe here. I have to tell basically to just let it know that okay, I'm going to be doing a change or a swift change in the sticker, the movement of the sticker. So this is where the sticker is. Then I'll go over here, add a keyframe, then move this object over here. So let's see how this goes.
hey my loves. So in today's video,
So can you now see that it's just
my loves.
it just
So in today's video, I'm going to
you can see what happened right here, right? So okay, I really hope you guys really understood what I did here. So I'm going back over to the next one, which is tilters. Yes, tilters. You get those cinematic, like all those when you are watching those scary movies, right? Scary movies, and like the thing is just zooming in right in your face. So this is how you do it. You click. I just go over to this clip. Okay, then I add a keyframe. A keyframe is already here. Then I just tilted it to use my hands to tilt it a bit. To create that, I added some effects. Okay, I went over to filters. Let me just use filters, and I went for this dark, this retro, and I chose this photo booth. Like I really love the way the color is. So you can see if I have
So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how
I can't really use this video to actually really show you guys how that works, because this is not really you get that kind of video. But if you look at this very well, you can notice that if I had some cinematic effects here now and I add those scary noise, you will just see the way it is like it will make it so scary. You get that kind of effect, that kind of effect that all those scary movies give to you. You can tilt it, like tilt it, even tilt it here, tilt it there. You give it that effect that, you know, when you are watching all those scary films, all those scary movies, the way it makes you feel, the way it makes you so scared and all that, you get. So this is just the way they do it. They will use some dark shade and they will create some sound effects, like all those sounds that can become scary and all. And this is just a way of using CapCut to do it. So guys, I really hope you love this video. I really hope you learned a thing or two. Please, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment below my post. You know, I really hope you guys really love this video. And if you're not still clear, just you can let me know in the comment section. Do a more detailed video. Thank you all and I love you all.